These are the wildest, weirdest, and coolest e-bikes roaming the internet right now. So buckle up as we dive into 18 of the coolest e-bikes on the internet. Like our number one entry, the Mod Easy Sidecar. This one turns heads everywhere it rolls. It's a vintage-inspired electric bike with a serious attitude. Think 1940s Harley vibes used with modern tech and a detachable sidecar. Mounted with 3 quick-release pins for mounting and dismounting, it's perfect for hauling groceries, gear, pets, or even your kid for a joyride. It supports up to 150 pounds and adds a ton of character. You can even pick from rugged color options like army green or charcoal black with brown leather accents. Whether you're cruising the boulevard or making grocery runs look cool, the Mod Sidecar is one of the most unique e-bikes you can actually buy. And at number 2, the JPP Afreda S6, coming in at $19.99, is a wild take on the electric bike, and it is unlike anything else on the road. And yes, it is for sale. This futuristic 3-wheeler features 2 independently suspended front wheels and a single rear wheel, giving it both stability and a motorcycle-style lean into turns. It folds in just a few seconds, making it surprisingly convenient despite its hefty 70-pound frame. And powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor, it can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour, and dual 48-volt batteries give it a range of around 25 miles. And its suspension system, especially up front, is incredibly advanced. Or how about number 3, the Mate X? It's available with either a 250-watt street-legal motor or an optional 750-watt version for more punch. Top speed is around 20 miles per hour, and the 14 amp hour or 17 amp hour battery offers an advertised range of up to 75 miles. The aluminum frame folds in 3 steps, making it compact enough to fit in a car or small storage space, but its hefty 64-pound weight might make it less convenient to carry. The bike rides on chunky 20x4-inch fat tires and features full suspension, front and rear. Braking is hydraulic, and the handlebar cockpit includes a bright color LCD, as well as a throttle and walk assist functions. And at number 4, the Fiido Air is a sleek, ultra-lightweight carbon fiber e-bike built for modern urban commuting. Weighing just around 30 pounds, it features a full carbon frame, fork, handlebars, stem, and seat post, making it one of the lightest e-bikes in its class. It's powered by a 250-watt rear hub motor with a torque sensor and a Gates carbon belt drive, providing smooth, responsive pedal assist up to 15 miles an hour. The integrated 208 watt-hour battery offers a real-world range of about 30 miles, and an optional range extender can double that. Instead of a traditional display, the Fiido Air relies on a smartphone app and a built-in fingerprint reader for unlocking. And if you think this is cool, just wait till you see this electric bike with a baby rear tire. The Peugeot EF01 is a sleek folding e-bike that blends smart engineering with European design flair. Featuring an aluminum frame and a clever foldable structure, it's equipped with a memory adjustment system that automatically returns your seat and handlebars to your preferred riding position, just when you thought they thought of everything. A compact 208 watt-hour battery delivers around 18 miles of assisted travel, while it also features front and rear lights. Stopping power is handled by Shimano hydraulic disc brakes, giving great control even in the rain. With its understated styling, convenient folding mechanism, and reliable components, the EF01 fits comfortably into modern lifestyles. And no video is complete without the Reevo Hubless, a futuristic e-bike that looks like it rolled straight out of a science fiction movie. There's no exposed chain, leaving a minimalist frame that is as clean and low maintenance as it is eye-catching. Unfortunately, this project faced significant issues during startup and, as far as I can tell, has ultimately closed their doors. Now the ONYX RCR, starting at $39.99, is a wild fusion of electric motorcycle power and vintage café-racer style. With a powerful 5,000-watt rear hub motor and a 72-volt 45 amp hour battery, this beast can hit speeds up to 60 miles per hour and deliver up to 120 miles of range in eco mode. It's built on a steel frame with motorcycle-grade suspension, giving it solid off-road capability while feeling nimble and responsive on the pavement. The RCR features 3 ride modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport, letting you cruise efficiently or allowing you to unleash its full potential when you want more speed. It also comes with a digital display, LED lights, turn signals, and regenerative braking, giving it a well-rounded mix of performance and safety features. The Rayvolt Torino, on the other hand, is a stunning mix of retro-inspired design and modern electric performance. With its curved steel frame, leather accents, and oversized 26 by 3-inch fat tires, the Torino gives off serious steampunk cruiser vibes while offering a smooth, stable ride. You can choose between 2 motor setups, the Smart Hub with 400-watt motor, or the more powerful Power Hub, delivering up to 1,000 watts and capable of hitting speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Battery options include a standard 504 watt-hour pack for around 25 miles of range, or an upgraded 936 watt-hour dual battery for closer to 50 miles. Both systems feature regenerative braking and help you extend your ride. At around 75 or 80 pounds, the Torino isn't exactly lightweight, but it makes up for it in character and ride comfort. Price is about $32.50. Now the Revibikes Cheetah Plus is a café-racer style fat tire e-bike that combines vintage flair with great performance. Its 48-volt Samsung battery, available in a sizable 17.5 amp-hour configuration, nestles discreetly in a faux gas tank, delivering about 35 miles of real-world range. The Plus model elevates the experience with adjustable handlebars, puncture-resistant Kenda tires featuring reflective sidewalls, and an upgraded color LCD. Its hydraulic disc brakes, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, and comfort-oriented seating means it can handle urban cruises and light off-road routes. The Cheetah Plus weighs around 70 pounds and can carry up to 300 pounds, offering a commanding ride without sacrificing stability. Priced at $25.99, it's a standout choice for anyone seeking a practical, powerful, and stylish cruiser. This next e-bike is so cool it hasn't even been released yet. The Super73 C1X is where style meets electric motorbike performance. With its compact build and futuristic design, it offers a thrilling ride that pushes boundaries. Powered by a beefy 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery, it cranks out formidable top speed of around 85 miles per hour and delivers an impressive urban range up to 100 miles under eco-friendly riding. What else really stands out is its fast charging capability, where it will be able to go from 10 to 80% in just about 15 minutes. Plus, it sports a lightweight chassis built around a 15-inch wheelbase, a low seat height, and inverted front fork, qualities that give it motorcycle-grade handling. Though its performance and speed mean it requires a motorcycle license, the C1X is set to be a unique crossover for riders eager to bridge the gap between electric biking and high-speed motorcycling. Prices are expected to be in the $9,000 to $10,000 range. At a little bit less than that, the Pave BK is a groundbreaking blend of e-bike simplicity and electric motorbike power wrapped in a sleek, minimalist design. At its core is a robust 3,000-watt hub motor with a peak output of 6 kilowatts and around 200 newton-meters of torque. This delivers a brisk acceleration of 0 to 30 in just about 3.5 seconds and a top speed of just over 30 miles per hour. Its 50.4-volt, 39 amp-hour Samsung-powered battery provides around 50 miles of range, and a fast charger option brings it to 80% in just an hour. Built on aircraft-grade aluminum chassis and weighing around 101 pounds minus the battery, the BK offers motorcycle-quality front suspension, 14-inch wheels, and strong disc brakes with regen capability. Priced around $6,900, it offers a futuristic, high-tech alternative for riders who want electric bike freedom combined with moped-level speed and security. Now, the SoulCycle's E24 is a stylish, BMX-inspired electric bike designed for fun and functional rides. With its 24-inch wheels paired with 3-inch wide tires, it delivers a comfortable and stable ride on pavement, beaches, or even light trails. The 750-watt rear hub motor powers it up to a stated 28 miles per hour, while the 48-volt, 15 amp-hour battery is rated for a real-world range of about 25 to 40 miles. And built on an aluminum frame and weighing a much lighter 55 pounds, the E24 offers a relatively lightweight build for its category, and the price is $17.99. The Smartravel Raptor ST202 is a high-performance fat tire e-bike designed for both adventurous off-roading and everyday commuting. It features a 1200-watt motor paired with a 48-volt, 27-amp-hour Samsung battery, delivering speeds around 32 miles an hour and up to 100 miles of range. Built on an aluminum frame, the Raptor rides on beefy 20x4-inch fat tires and offers front and rear suspension for smoother handling. It includes hydraulic disc brakes, a 7-speed drivetrain, and a color LCD with throttle. Price is $13.99. Okay, we're starting to heat up. Marsant's XP6, also known as the Ant 6 or Mantis P6, is a rugged fat tire e-bike built for commuting and off-road riding. It features 20x4-inch fat tires and full suspension wrapped around a sturdy aluminum frame capable of carrying up to 400 pounds. Its powerful 1000-watt peak hub motor delivers a top speed of about 28 miles per hour, supported by a 980 watt-hour Samsung battery that provides a real-world range of about 50 miles per charge. Tech-wise, it includes a Bluetooth-enabled LCD, multiple pedal assist modes, and includes thoughtful features like a sturdy kickstand, integrated lighting, and even an anti-theft system. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and costs $1,960. And at number 15, the Titaone S is a crossover e-bike built for off-road thrills with a very unique design. It features a larger 18-inch front and smaller 14-inch rear tire. Pretty neat. Price for this unique thrill is listed at $19.99. And at number 16, the Kamingo e-bike converter kit is a clever, lightweight system designed to turn almost any regular bike into an electric one in just minutes. It consists of 3 compact components: a rear friction drive motor, a handlebar-mounted controller, and a bottle cage-mounted battery. The whole setup installs in under 3 minutes, and once mounted, it can be detached and reattached in about 10 seconds. Plus, with a price point starting around $350, it's an affordable and high-tech way to electrify your current bike without replacing it. But even cooler than that, the Gogoro Eeyo is another groundbreaking ultralight electric bike attempting to redefine urban riding. Built around a fully integrated smart wheel in the rear hub, it houses its motor, battery, torque, and speed sensors and wireless connectivity all in a single streamlined unit. This setup allows for smooth, intuitive pedal assist up to 19 miles per hour. And at just about 26 pounds, the Eeyo is considerably lighter than conventional e-bikes. That lightweight design makes it easy to shoulder and carry into apartments or onto public transit. It's also nearly maintenance-free with a Gates carbon belt drive replacing the typical chain. Price is quite steep though, coming in at $38.99. And at 18, we have the Enki Miller SE, priced at $21.90. This sleek, urban-focused electric bike is built for commuters who value simplicity, style, and performance. With its clean lines and minimalist design, the Miller SE features an aluminum frame and weighs just 34 pounds, making it easy to carry upstairs or onto public transit. This electric stealth bike comes with either a mid-mounted Bafang motor or a hub motor depending on your preference, delivering smooth, natural pedal assist. The 360 watt-hour Samsung battery is seamlessly integrated into the down tube, providing a stated range of up to 60 miles. Plus, instead of a traditional chain, it uses a Gates carbon belt drive for a clean, silent, and maintenance-free ride. But hey, do you want more electric rideables? Then check them out in this video right here. And I just checked and not nearly enough of you are subscribed. If you want to know what's going on in the electric bike and electric rideables world, be sure to subscribe.